Hello everyone, in this lecture I'm going to explain about valid anagram. So here given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. So here in this example 1 they given two strings. So in this string s they given anagram and in the string t they given anagram. So we need to find this is anagram or not. If both are anagram, if it is a valid anagram, then the return statement should be true. If it is not anagram, then the return statement should be false. Means what are the letters which are present in the string 1 that should be present in the string 2. If it was not happening like that, then it will be shown in the output false. So here the logic behind for this coding is, I will explain clearly now. So here first we need to compare the length of two strings so that we can came to know this will be there might be chances for valid anagram or not. So first we need to take if s dot length is not equal to t dot length. Then return false. Why? If the length of those two strings is not equal, then it will return false. Now character array name string 1 equal to s dot 2 character array, and here character array another name we need to keep string 2, and here string t, so t dot 2 character array. Here what it was happening, what are the elements which are present in the string that will be converted into character array. So here we need to sort out these elements which are present in this character array. Array dot sort string 1 array dot sort string 2. Okay, now we need to give one return type, return arrays dot, we need to compare two strings, arrays dot equals, in this parenthesis bracket we need to mention two strings, string 1 and string 2. Okay, this will be the return statement. So now I will run this program, this will execute or not, we'll see. Yeah, it is accepting. In this test case we can change the string names also. Here I am mentioning red and here I am just changing the elements erd. Now I will run this test case. We'll check whether what it will show. So here the judging is true. Again I will give one more test case. I will remove this r and I will mention p. Means this p is not present in the string 1. Now what will be the judgment, we'll see. So it is showing false. Why? This is not a valid anagram. So this is the output and this is the logic behind it. First we need to take this, we need to compare these two strings length. If it is not equal, then it will return false, and here we need to convert the string to character and we need to sort that element, and in final return statement we need to compare these two, string 1 and string 2, so that we can came to know this will be a valid anagram or not. This is the solution. Now I am submitting the answer. Yeah, success. So if you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section, and please do like and share and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys.